Okay, in this example, I'm going to show you how to delete a specific record. I'm going to delete the currently selected record. So if I choose jazz, the second one over here, and I click on a button, delete, it will delete that specific record for me. Okay, my connections, the Adotable, data source, and DB grid is already set up. And I'm just gonna add a button. I'm gonna change the caption to delete, and when I click on this button, I'm gonna delete the currently selected record in this table. So to delete the current selected table, we just say Adotable 1, because that's my table name or my Adotable name. I'm going to say delete, and that should delete the currently selected record. So I'm going to go to LL Cool J number 1, click delete, and it will delete it from the CD table. Okay, another thing we can maybe add here is we can ask the user whether he is sure that he wants to delete that specific record. So I'm going to say if message DLG, message dialog, are you sure? The message type is information. What types of buttons are we going to use? Message button yes. Okay, so the user will have two options. You can either choose yes or no. Okay, so but if the message result is yes, then I'm going to delete that record out of the table. Okay. Message DLG. Okay, message DLG, are you sure? Message type is information. The buttons, options, message button yes, message button no. If the message result is yes, that means the user clicked on the yes button, then I will delete this record. Else, I'm not going to do anything. It will not delete anything. Okay, so it's just an extra assurance for the user, in case he just clicks on the delete by accident. So I'm selecting stain. Are you sure? No, I'm not sure. I want to delete Celine Dion. Are you sure? Yes, and then it will delete that one. Okay. So message dialog, if it clicks on yes, it will delete the current record out of that table.